Hi guys, I am coming to you with a different type of video and I am very excited. Now it's not often that I get really excited about something, but I am very excited about this video. Okay, I ordered from a company and I saw a ring that people have been advertising on YouTube, and I ordered these rings. Well, I didn't order, my husband bought it for me, because these are a little bit pricey, but they are beautiful and I love them. All right, here we go. From this company, Jeulia, I ordered a set of rings, and I wanted to do the unboxing and the trying of the rings on camera, because I just was so excited about this order. I ordered it on the 24th. And today is the 28th, and it came today. So it was like 4 days. Awesome. Okay, let's get on with opening. All right, it comes in this nice little box here. Let me see if I can't back up some. There we go. A little bit more. I don't mind. All right. And I probably am not going to edit this video because I am so excited. Okay, this is what it looks like. I did open the box, but I haven't opened the jewelry yet. It stops. It tells you to stop and read this before removing the tag. Now, I saw all this on the other videos that I watched. All of this comes in the packet. And I'm not really going to go over that. And here is a booklet that comes, and it just shows you a lot of the different jewelry that Jeulia offers. And I've seen some of these on other people's YouTube videos, and they have very beautiful jewelry. Okay, and you also get this little bag in case you want to give this as a gift. And inside of the bag comes a Jeulia greeting card, and you also get a, if I'm correct, this is a cleaning cloth. Yes, a Jeulia cleaning cloth. So that is quite nice. Okay, now I got this. It's a little free gift. It's like a key ring. And you get this. It was a free gift that came in the I'm going to go ahead and open it since I'm doing this unboxing on camera. But it's a little key ring. It's so cute. And now, da-da-da-da, for the good stuff. See if I can get it out with these nails. And the rest is just the box. All right, here we go. And, oh my, ta-da. It comes in this little plastic here. And as it said, I already know this because I've watched other people's videos, is that I cannot take this tag off of here until after I try on the rings, because if they don't fit and I need to return them, then I won't be able to do it without the tag. And look at this. This is absolutely gorgeous, guys. Look at there. I'm trying to give you up close. Has little diamonds all around it, and it's made out of sterling silver, so it will not turn. Look at there. That is absolutely beautiful. I mean, gorgeous. Y'all got to forgive me. I've been eating powdered donuts, so you can skip over that. But that is absolutely gorgeous. And when I saw these rings, oh my God, And they are so big, and this is a size 7 for me. And it has a little weight to it. And these rings are really big. And this one, oh my God, look at there. This is absolutely gorgeous, guys. Look at there. Ah, beautiful. Look at there. This thing is huge. I mean, absolutely beautiful. And let me go ahead and try. Oh my God. I do not believe this. This is absolutely amazing. Ah! These are beautiful, guys, and it fits very well. Look at that. Oh my God. I cannot believe this. This is awesome. And so, since I can wear it and it seems to be okay, let me look around and make sure everything is in place before I do tear the thing off of it. Make sure there's no marks or anything on it. And this one also, I just want to make sure. Well, before I try them on, I'm going to put it right here, because this is the way that they're supposed to come in the box. And while I'm looking at this one, I'm going to look all around and make sure there's nothing missing. None of the stones are missing out of it. This is absolutely beautiful. When I saw, there's a lady that I look at on YouTube, and her name is Kayla Dawn Cook, and she had this ring set, and I just knew that I had to have it. And so these are absolutely gorgeous. Okay, I got interrupted. Forgive me, I got interrupted while I was doing this video. But I also wanted to lay this down. I don't know if you're able to. Let me turn it around so you can read it. I want you to have to read it upside down. And that's why you don't remove the tag. Let me see if I can move my finger out of the way so you can read it. Because it says not returnable if this tag is removed. You have, there's like a 30-day warranty on these rings. A 30-day return policy. But you cannot remove the tag if it's not returnable if you remove the tag. Then there's a year warranty on these rings. If anything should happen, like maybe a stone falls out or something, they will replace it for you. But these are absolutely gorgeous. This is what they look like in the box. And I think they are beautiful. And so far as I can see, there is nothing missing from these rings. They are absolutely gorgeous. And they have little stones on the outside. So, and I tell you, I thank my husband for purchasing these rings for me. So, I can go ahead and get rid of the tag on this ring because they fit perfectly. Absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay, now I know you want to know the price. Now, I really can't give you specifics. I know that when you go on the website, this set is $175. But there's some discounts that you can get. And you can get 15% off or something. And I think there's 5% or something else like that. Anyway, somehow I ended up, now don't ask me how I did it, but I went on the website and I ended up getting this set of rings, which was originally $175. I got mine for $135. So, yes, absolutely gorgeous. And they fit perfectly. I could have gotten, my actual ring size used to be 6.5. But normally, the jewelry that I buy, you've seen my videos about my ring collection, which is nothing in comparison to this. Most of those are size 7, because when you order stuff off of Wish and stuff like that, you can't get half sizes. You can just get, but absolutely beautiful, guys. Absolutely beautiful. I will leave the link to the website to where I got these rings from, and I will also leave a link for Kayla Dawn Cook's video. And there's some more, but I love her. She is so cute. She's so cute, and she's sweet, and she's just a little southern girl, and she's just the most wonderful thing. I really do enjoy watching her videos. And I did see these rings first on her video. So I'll leave a link for everything, and go on over to Jeulia. And if you're not into these, like I said, if you're not into these rings, they do have more, you know, they do have more smaller, you know, I'm just kind of blingy. They have more, they have bracelets, they have necklaces, they have earrings, they have all kinds of things that you can order from them. You can go over on the website and kind of look around and see what you might like. You know, if you have different tastes about things, you know, for different things, they have so much to offer over there. So I'll leave the link in the description above, and go on over there and take a look around and see what you can find at Jeulia. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I've enjoyed bringing it to you. All right, guys. Bye-bye.